Good morning, students. Our next class of the wave on the spot. Today, we will discuss about the a Doppler effect. This is generally you already have the experience about the Doppler effect. For example, you are standing at a constant point. You are standing at constant point. Of course, one vehicle on moving to the towards yours, then you already observed the sound is more. Then same vehicle across of you then goes away. The speed of that vehicle you observed a lesser than the towards of it, towards of you. This is means its appearance changing in the frequency of observer in the relative motion or the between the relation motion of the observer and the source means in this case it taken as a moving vehicle. This between of the relation motion of the observer and source, then it appearance change in the frequency. That effect called a Doppler effect. That is called a Doppler effect. This Doppler effect first proposed by a Doppler. First proposed by a Doppler in the 1842. In the 1842 is belongs to a Australian scientist. Then 1845 this effect experimentally proved by the balloon. Balloon is belongs to Ireland. It belongs to the Ireland. It belongs to Australia. First it was 1842, and the balloon is experimentally proved in 1845. About this is about the Doppler effects introduction. And then this Doppler of you find a proposed Doppler. That's why his effect is generally called a Doppler effect. This Doppler effects applicable for the sound waves and electromagnetic waves, light and etc. Whatever wave or in general called wave, this Doppler effect applicable that. So in this case we will discuss only this sound wave because of the our lesson only on the sound wave. This is the first term. Please remember it. Then how can it is experimentally proved it? Say in general it means Doppler effect means a apparent frequency change of observer due to a relative motion of observer and source. Source means in this case it taken sound wave, that's why source means sound wave. For example, you take this one is the observer. We will take as O means observer in the Doppler effect. Then some source, whatever light, whatever sound, whatever is there is the source. Then this source is towards the observer. Then you get if take frequency or velocity, then you observe only frequency, then alternately we get the observer is get the more frequency, or more. For example, take sound. This is the source, this is the observer. It has some sound. Then it reach towards the observer. The observer get a more sound towards him get a more sound. Then away to the observer, the sound here is a less than of the towards it. Is but in this case it take only frequency because of the observer, the source have a constant speed or velocity. In generally, we have experience on the velocity, but this is not correct because of the whatever body or mode or medium, it's have a constant velocity. In this case, taken as a constant velocity. That's why change in the frequency of the calculate it. Suppose in this case the Doppler effect is a different situation is there. First one is source is constant and observer moving. The second thing is the reversal. Observer is constant, then source is moving. The case 1, the case 2, and case 3. In this case, both source and observer are moving. Source and observer are moving. These three cases are involving in the Doppler effect. The first one is source is constant, observer is moving. Second one is observer is constant, source is moving. Third case, both source and observer is moving. It have some limit. The main limit is the velocity does not exceed of the source. The velocity does not exceed of source velocity. This is the main term or main important point about the Doppler effect. It means the velocity does not exceed of the source velocity. When the source if its velocity is more than source velocity, then this effect is not applicable. Then its effect is not applicable. This point is the basic point of it. Student, Doppler effect, first case, in this case taken as observer is constant, source is moving. So we draw the diagram of this situation. This is the observer at the constant, then source at the time equal to t. Time equal to t. How that situation is when after time some time, then it is S2. The distance between observer and source at the t is L, the distance. So time period t naught equal to L by V. So time t equal to t1 equal to t naught. time t1 equal to t naught. At time equal to this one taken as 2 up to for this, and this length is this length up to this observer to a situation S2, the length is L plus up to this L, and then this displacement is VST because of the, see, the time t equal to distance by velocity. From this, distance equal time into velocity. This is the velocity, this is the time t naught. So t2 we will write as the time period t naught plus what's the time, this one, time for this one, time equal to displacement distance. What is the displacement? Displacement equal to L plus Vs t naught by what is the velocity? The v. This equation. And in this case, only one crest is moved up to situation S1 to S2. Then it reached only the time T2 of this time. It means only one crest. If the number of n crest is taken, the time we will write as T n plus 1 equal to n t naught plus L plus n Vs by t naught by v. See, this one 2, 1 plus 1, then take as this is also, in this case 1. For example, this is also n. So same situation for the n crest. T n plus 1 equal to n t naught plus L plus n Vs t naught by v. The time period t n plus 1 minus t1. What is the t n plus 1? N t naught plus L plus n Vs t naught by v minus t1. What is the t1? T1 means t naught equal to L by v. Then n t naught plus, in this case v, is the denominator, so v is the total denominator. L plus n Vs t naught minus L. This minus L, this place is cancelled. Then this equation we will write like as n t naught plus, in this case only n Vs t naught by v. N Vs t naught by v. This is the time interval for the n crystals only for the time period of t equal to t by n. The time interval taken as t. Then what is the value of t? T equal to n t naught plus n Vs t naught by v by n. So this n is cancelled. This is equal to t naught plus, in this case also n is cancelled, Vs t naught by v. This is the time period t. Then this equation we will write as time period t equal to t naught taken as one side, then 1 plus Vs by v. But our concentration of the Doppler rate only on the frequency. So frequency equal to 1 by t. So frequency 1 by t. So this is mu minus mu naught 1 minus Vs plus Vs by V minus 1. See, how can it is get V equal to 1 by T and V naught equal to 1 by T naught. 1 by T naught. This one is 1 plus Vs by V minus inverse means 1 by 1 plus Vs by V taken as and get this equation. Then this is the exponential. This is the exponential. So you already in the first year 1 plus x whole minus 1 equal to 1 minus x by 1 factor plus x squared by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial. Like this, you expand, you get the v equal to v naught 1 minus vs by v. This is for the frequency of the observer constant and source moving in the x-axis, in the positive x-axis. For the negative, this is the for x-axis. For the negative axis, v equal to v naught 1 plus vs by v. This is minus x. This is the equation for the observed constant and source is moving. Is the case of the Doppler effect 1.